Ah, the peaceful sounds of the Ozark countryside. Chickens, pigs, goats, and a greenhouse, and of course a beautiful garden to keep that greenhouse busy. I'm John Schaub with Century 21 Lemac Realty, here with Heather Hendricks, and we have a very special home to show you. And it is just all ready for somebody who wants to kind of take charge of their life and raise their own food. There's a garden, the chickens, got the pigs, there's a wet weather creek down there, we've got the greenhouse, we've got some goats, so we have everything we need. Goat milk, eggs, pigs. This place is ready to take care of all your needs.
That's right. You can bring your own, or if they're still available, they'll be negotiable.
Yep. The animals may or may not be here by the time you get here, but if you hurry, they might be. So Heather, there's a pool here. That's a lovely pool. Well, all right, Heather. Just as soon as we finish the video here, me and the goats right over there, we're going to take a swim.
I'd like to see that.
Yeah.
Let's do it on camera.
All right, we might. Pool stays, and you're going to need it on the hot days, but most of the time with all this shade, you wouldn't need it.
That's right.
Circle driveway, plenty of room here, and there's a couple of carports. Now, the current owners, they use the one carport for barbecuing and cooking and relaxing, and the other for storage. But you could definitely store your cars there if you needed to.
And that beautiful garden over there.
Oh man, that is so nice.
I see peppers, tomatoes, pumpkins. I know there's asparagus.
One of the things I like here is that it's already set up for wheelchair access, just in case somebody might need it.
Oh, it feels good in the shade over
Oh,
here.
that's why I said you don't really need the pool. Here we are, very nice and comfortable.
Well, I'm excited to see it.
Well, let's go in, take a look. Oh, you beat me in here,
I did.
Heather.
I learned your trick.
You did. Wow. Well, I can't believe the room here. This is the living room.
Wow.
With a fan, of course, and beautiful windows. But I guess this would be possibly a dining room, but here it's a music room.
Yes, play us something, John.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then this is like a family room and a kitchen. I guess we'd call this a great room or a country kitchen. And it's got a fireplace there. And plus propane heat, nice and cozy in the winter. But this is summer and the air is working just fine. I love this island. It's just lovely. And really nice gas stove, Frigidaire dishwasher, it's a GE refrigerator, and there's so much room. Here's like a breakfast nook. You know, you could be eating here, you could have a whole crew here, you've got that area. This is huge.
Wow, it is.
Now, the current owner has some children, and it works fine for them, and it still seems big. While we're on this side, I just point out that this is the laundry room, water softener, and pantry. Take a look in there, Heather.
Yes, I sure will. I love a good pantry. Everything's handy. And look, access to the back deck.
Yeah, we'll go out there in a little bit.
Wow, you didn't tell me the pantry was this big.
You good, don't get lost.
I love those windows.
Well, come on, let's take a look at some of the bedrooms. Wait a minute, Heather. There's 2 kids and 3 PlayStation consoles.
One for me.
Oh, okay. Oh no, 4. Okay.
One for you too.
We're going. Well, this is what we call the primary bedroom. But if you're living off the land, then a freezer like this would be what you want. This is a good place to put it. That freezer's not going with it, but you can put your own freezer there.
And look, you could have your own doggy outside
Yeah.
your window.
Yeah, that's
This puppy
Duke.
dog does not stay.
No, Duke's going to a new home. And here we've got the bathroom. Now this has been updated a little bit, Heather, but I want you to start out by looking at the
Yes.
huge walk-in closet. Look at
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And then the owner has put in these shelves. That's what they want to do, but that could be a lot of different things. And we have a vanity
New
and
flooring, it looks like.
yep, nice plank vinyl flooring, and then a full bath. So with a walk-in shelf.
Gonna need a space on the countertops.
Oh yes.
Wow, this bathroom's large.
Yeah. So again, I mean, a huge amount of room here. But over here, this is what I would call the second bedroom. It's very large too, lots of room, and it's not quite a walk-in closet, but it's a very large closet. It goes all the way back, and lovely view of the backyard. And then as we go through the hall, this is the guest bathroom. I love that sink.
Yes, me
It's all been
too.
updated.
Have a shower combo behind there.
Yeah, and this is the third bedroom.
Wow, good size.
Yeah, Heather, I think it's very large.
There you go. Good job, John.
Yeah. But lots of room in here. And again, a large closet and a great view. Well, Heather, let's take a look at that back deck. I do love that window.
That's beautiful. You can watch your goat.
Well, come on out, Heather.
Wow, nice sized deck. You can overlook the whole backyard back here. Watch all your animals.
Yeah. Look it up. You know, Heather, this is super comfortable. This is just great. After you kind of take care of all your animals, do a little work in the garden, you come up here and have an iced tea and enjoy the beauty of the country. This is country living at its best, isn't it?
It is.
Oh,
Well,
boy.
I loved seeing this property today.
Yeah, you know, Heather, I know there are folks out there that would love to get out of the big city, get away from the hustle and bustle, do a little farming, raise some animals, be free from restrictions and other pressures of life, and just enjoy things. You know, Heather, if somebody wanted to find out more about this home, or maybe even arrange a showing, they'd go to enjoytheozarks.com. Or contact me, John Schaub, at 870-656-7888. Bye.
Bye.
I'm John Schaub. My real estate practice, Ozarks Area Real Estate, is at Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.